Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Claire. Amelia, I guess. I don't think I'm allowed to say my last name. So, a little bit ago, I asked you guys to ask me, things you want advice on. I'm going to answer them in this video. Wait, there's a car. They totally just stared at me. I'm gonna answer you guys' questions while I do some tie-dye and maybe other crafts. So, let's get into it. Okay, so, can't tell I'm outside. Also have different categories for the stuff. Is there instructions on this? Yes. I got this at Walmart for like $17 because I want to do it with my friends. But I don't have friends over right now, so I will if they come. Okay. Let me just read real quick. I don't usually do this, but... Okay, they even gave us some gloves. Do I have to put warm water in it? I'm sorry, I've actually only done tie-dye like 2 times. I did not hop on the bandwagon when it was time. So here's my little sheet thing. I'm sorry if I don't get your question. There was a lot. You guys really pulled through. You guys really came. Let's start with middle school and like friendships and relationships and stuff like that. First thing, friend drama. I'm just gonna say a couple things. Stay out of it. I used to have a friend group and it was kind of big, and then one girl, I don't even know what happened, but I just tried to stay out of it as much as I can, and I still talked with that girl. You'll feel really bad about it. I don't know if you're talking about, okay, this is harder than I thought. Just stay out of drama, because it won't get you anywhere good, and it won't make you friends. How to make it through 8th grade. Actually, I think 8th grade was like my favorite year. Trust me guys, it gets better from 6th grade and 7th grade, because by then in 8th grade, like, everyone already has close friends, they have good friends. 8th grade will be good, and you get a lot of 8th grade priority on things. Next up, how to have someone from being your friend to your best friend. First of all, if they aren't making an effort to do stuff with you, then it's probably not a good friendship. Oh no, I just put you in the water. I'm only doing half because I don't want to use it all. Also, I'm using purple. Hopefully this turns out good. I think I'm going to have way too much dye. Okay, where was I? Oh, shoot, shoot. I need to put on my gloves. I just rub it off. No, not a good idea. Gloves, where are you? I know, Thank you. Talking about how to make your friend go into your best friend. Hang out with them more often. Purple dye is like everywhere. And if you genuinely have fun hanging out with them, then you guys should be friends. Best friends. Or you can just keep them friends. I don't know. Next one, family drama. I have a lot of that. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna do like how to get along with your siblings or with your mom. This is where I actually need advice because I don't know what I'm doing. There's ink spilled everywhere. You guys like it? I put sparkles all over it. It's cool. Ready? Another car. Just gonna speak over it. No. Okay, I'm just gonna do like the crumple method. What was that even my question? Oh, family drama. If your mom asks you to do something, just do it. You might not want to do it, and I never want to do it, but you're just gonna have to. And if she says something that you do not agree with, just agree with it, okay? I know, we both know in our minds that she's not right, or he's not right, whatever, your mom, dad, whatever. But you just have to go along with it, okay? Because they will get mad if you don't. Yeah, I know that's not that great advice. And for siblings, good luck with that. I have no clue how to deal with siblings because I still get in fights with them every day. But that's normal. Next one is make someone fall in love with you. I don't know on that one. I don't know, go ask someone else. Let's go take this over to the grass so we don't mess up anything. This is what I'm talking about when I spilled dye. So the next category is going to be money. And we'll use it while we're dying. Not dying, like dying. I love this question. Is the sun gonna be too bright? How to convince your mom to give you $1,000 to see Harry in concert? What a great question.
That if you were a chair, what celebrity would you let sit on you? Great question.
Great. That is a
If
great
you were a chair,
question.
what
Okay, $1,000 is a lot because I know like his concert tickets are a lot, which I don't know why. Oh gosh, I just got the ink everywhere. I say, tell your mom, be like, raise a lot of money this summer, which I'll tell you guys in a little bit. There's a question about that. And tell your mom, hey, if I make $1 for the concert ticket, will you match it with $1? So if you made $500, she would match it with another $500. Now, I know everyone is different, like how their mom, like my mom would just be like, no, Claire, you can just, oh, this is really dark. I'm gonna go add more water. And you're probably thinking, Claire, how can I make money? Well, somebody asked, how to make money besides YouTube? Okay, so I do this thing called Redbubble stickers, where you just, oh, this is not any lighter, where you just upload designs and the company will like print it and ship it for you. And I've made like $200 off of that. My sister has made like $3,000. I know, what? So maybe I'll make the video about that if you guys want. It's called Redbubble. Another thing is just like sell things or babysit. Oh my gosh. I make so much money from babysitting because the person just pays me so much. Okay, I have hair in my face. This is not. Oh, I got it on my face. How to not spend money. Okay, that's a little different from what we're doing. Usually what I do, I will never buy something if I just put it into the cart. So I will always like sleep on it. If I'm gonna get something from Amazon, I will put it in the cart, okay? But then I'll wait like a day or something. If I still want it, then I will buy it. Usually I'll wait even longer, like at least 3 days. Next up is like body positivity and stuff. What do you do if you don't feel like you're deserving to look? Sorry, that was phrased weird. First of all, you are. I love you, okay? Just know that you are put on this earth for a reason. If not, you would not be on this earth. And not talking about like you wouldn't be on Mars, but like I think you understand what I'm trying to say. And I'll talk about that a little more with the other things. Loving yourself and body positivity. Every morning you wake up, you can go to your mirror and you can tell yourself a compliment. And no, that is not being, what's that called? Not narcissistic, I don't know, self-obsession. That is not. Tell yourself a compliment every day because you look beautiful every day. For body positivity, just remember, most people are insecure about their bodies, so they're not going to be aware of your body. They're not going to be focusing on you. So just focus on yourself and don't focus on others because they all have their own problems too. Not care about what others think. I tell this to myself almost every single day. If like I want to do something but I'm too scared or nervous, just remember that we are on a floating ball of rock in space. And when you think about that, like you have 100 years to live, just live it. Nobody will remember if you told your middle school crush that you liked them, but you'll always regret if you didn't do it or you didn't do something. So just remember that you're on a ball of rock. I'm pretty sure I have purple dye like everywhere. I'm almost done, I think. How to come out to your parents. I don't really have much experience in this area. I think maybe find someone that you trust, talk to your older sister, aunt or something. Talk to them about it. I can't really give you much advice there. Do not be jealous. Just remember that they probably have some insecurities of their own and they're probably jealous of you too. I think we don't realize that other people are jealous of us. It's normal to, just don't get too caught up in it. Okay, the next one is about school and how to get straight A's and good grades. Okay. What I'm going to say is probably, this is almost done, but I'm still working on it. Probably not that helpful. If you are in middle school or elementary school, this will probably apply to you. High school, maybe not. Just remember that your 6th grade grades will not matter. When you're applying to colleges, they will not look at your 6th grade grades or your 7th grade grades. Maybe 8th grade, but not really. So with that information, I'm not saying don't pay attention in class because there are some things, because elementary and middle school will be the time where you learn a lot of important things. Don't spend 3 hours on a homework assignment. Go out and make connections with people in the real world that will help you in the real world. So yeah, I don't know if that helps. Realistic ways to stop procrastinating. So this one will go hand in hand with how to get off your phone. I think I'm almost done. I'm gonna use up all the dye because I can't do anything with it after. Oh, and I got it on my skin. If I ever find myself on my phone way too much, I just put it down and I go outside. And I think to myself, how much time am I wasting on my phone? Sometimes it's like 3 hours a day, 2 hours, whatever. And then multiply it by 7, because 7 days in a week. And you realize that you are spending almost a full day on your phone. And now say you have like a passion. Think of all that time that instead of spending on your phone, you could spend on that. Think of how much better you could get at whatever you like. Artwork, maybe you could spend 2 out of 3 of those hours or 1 out of 3 of those hours each day on artwork. So this isn't me not telling you, oh, you have to get off your phone and like don't use phones. But start limiting your time. Make it kind of a challenge. Get a less screen time than your last week. Okay, I'm just gonna squirt the rest of the dye on here and we're gonna let it sit for a little. I don't know how long because I don't want it to be super purple. Okay, I don't know how long it's been. I think it's been an hour. It says 6 hours, but that's if you want like the full color, and I do not. Sorry, this purple is just kind of gross, but like lavender, it's really pretty. So let's wash it off with my hose. I don't have any gloves because I used the ones for this. So I don't know if this is a bad idea doing it this early. Let's take off the rubber band satisfying this. Oh no. Ew. Kind of looks ugly. Uh-oh. Well, at least it was just like a random shirt. That was kind of just like boring. Oh, wait. Oh. Huh. I like it. Yeah, wait, there's no weird like white spots. Okay, let's wash it out so it's not, well, no, I feel like I should keep it in for longer. Really? It's on there. I'm just gonna wash it out. Oh no, low battery. Huh. I'll see you guys once this is washed out. Hey guys, I'm back. First of all, this is how the tie-dye shirt, well, okay, I unraveled it and then I just let it dry in the sun, so I haven't really washed the dye out, only a little bit, but it's cool. So I think when I wash it, it'll get lighter. It is a little dark for me. I still have a couple of advice questions, I guess, that I'm going to answer. My purple dye everywhere. So these are like fun summer, how to make your life good questions. While I do it, I've made these like flower things I've seen all over Pinterest for so long. They turned out so cute, so I'm gonna make some more because I want to put it on all of my walls. And I can give you guys a little tutorial if you want. Basically, you're just going to measure, where is it, dot, and trace it out on some, and then like cut it out. Okay, so there's 2 questions that kind of tie into each other. First one is, how can I make summer feel longer? And how can I get excited for every single day? This is the thing, you need something fun every single day. So what I used to do during quarantine when it was just a long hole of nothingness, I would get on my calendar and write down one thing that I can look forward to every single day. So say like on Thursday, a package that I ordered in the mail arrived. On Friday, I was doing something with my friends. On Saturday, maybe my favorite singer dropped a new song. And that will make sure that you are keeping track of every single day and something happens during that day that you can remember. I don't know if that made sense, but yeah, that's how I would make summer feel longer. How to make your life feel like a movie. Kind of adding on to that point, just like sometimes I feel like I'm in a movie, but I mean, you guys are literally watching me right now. Just do all the things. If you're offered an opportunity, take it. It could be a once in a lifetime opportunity. You won't regret it. Okay, and then a couple random questions. Skincare advice. Watch Hiram, Skincare by Hiram. He's like the best skincare YouTuber. Always research a product before you buy it. Also, I am going to be making a YouTube video, like how to start a YouTube channel and how to grow it. So there were a couple questions about YouTube I'll include in that video, but I'll answer just one right now. How to make your first video? Do it, choose something. Summer Glow Up was my first video. I'd seen many videos on it before, so I kind of knew what to do. I am making this so much more confusing. Just sit down and film it. Let me just tell you, all first videos are bad. All your first 5, 10 videos are gonna be terrible. But then you're gonna keep it going and you're gonna teach yourself how to make a good video. That is it for today. I'm gonna show you guys a couple more steps to making these flowers and then I'll end the video. I never did an outro or showed you guys how it turned out. They turned out really cool. I really love them. They're all on my wall and on my mirror. And anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.